Hello everyone. We'll continue studying chapter 3. In the first video we have seen the critical edition of Mahabharata. Here we'll study about structure of family, that is kinfolk, and the norms of family and the kinship. All the families are not identical. They vary in terms of numbers, relationship with each other, and the kinds of activities that they share. Very often, people belonging to the same family share food and other resources, live, work, and perform rituals together. Families are generally a larger part of the network of people known as the relatives or kinfolk. Familial ties are based on blood and regarded as natural. They are defined in many ways, such as in some societies, cousins are regarded as relatives, whereas in other societies they are not. In case of early societies, it is easy for the historians to retrieve information about the families of elite class because there are enough evidences. On the other hand, it is very difficult to reconstruct the familial relations of ordinary people because they are not documented properly. Another important factor is the attitude towards the family and kinship. It is also investigated and analyzed by various historians, and these factors are important as they give insight into people's thinking. Let us see now the ideal of patrilineal and kinship and succession. Under patrilineal system, sons have claims to their father's wealth when the latter died. In case the king did not have a son, he was succeeded by one of his brothers. Sometimes other kinsmen claimed the throne, and it was very exceptional case that a woman exercised power. Rare example we have, that is Prabhavati Gupta, which we have studied in chapter 2. Let us see some of the rules of marriage. Dharmashastras recognize 8 forms of marriage. Out of these 4 forms of marriages were considered as good, the remaining 4 forms were condemned because they do not follow Brahminic norms. According to Dharma Sutras, women could not get any share in her parental property. And exogamy, that is marrying outside one's own kin, was considered desirable. Kanyadan, or the gift of a daughter in marriage, was an important religious duty of the father. Types of marriages. Endogamy. It refers to marriage inside one's own group. Here group stands for kin. Another one is exogamy. Exogamy refers to the marriage outside one's own group or kin. Polygyny. Polygyny refers to the marriage in which a man has several wives. Polyandry. Polyandry refers to the practice in which a woman could have more than one husband. Dharma Sutras and Dharmashastras. These are codes of social behavior meant to be followed by Brahmanas in particular and society in general. And they are written in Sanskrit. With the emergence of town people from near and far meeting to buy and sell their produce and sharing ideas in the urban milieu might have led to the questioning of earlier beliefs and practices. It was to meet this challenge that Dharma Sutras and Dharma Shastras were compiled.